gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Let's Talk Tuesday, and on this video, I'm going to first share some friend mail with you guys. I went to my mailbox last week, I think. Yeah, Saturday of last week, and there was some friend mail in there, so I want to share that with you guys today. And I'm also going to talk about, well, obviously I'm still a little bit sick for whatever reason. I just can't shake whatever this is. I don't believe it's, the thing, but I'm feeling much better, as you can tell, but I just can't shake this, like a little bit of a cough and a stuffy nose still going on. So hopefully that goes away very soon. But nonetheless, we are going to first discuss the friend mail, and then we're going to discuss my shopping addiction sickness. Like, it's a different kind of sickness, I guess. All right, so let's first jump into the friend mail. So we'll start with this card that I got from Jean at Jean's Junk. So here's the card right here, and it says, "Thank you." Not sure what I did, but on the back, it says, "Friends are like flowers. They brighten our days." How cute is that right there? So super cute. And yes, guys, my nails are a mess. Again, I've been sick, and I don't feel like doing, like, anything. Just saying. Okay, I've got an attitude. I do actually have a major attitude. I'm just saying. That is so cute, though. Check that out. And let's open. Oh! Oh my God! Is that the reaction you were looking for, Jean? That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, that literally scared the crap out of me, though. That was so fun. There were those butterfly thingamabobbers that just flew, and like they're gone, so they work very well. And then I have this cool little flamingo sticker, super cute. All right, so it says, it's called Gratitude. Oh, that's cool. Thank you so much, Just Me, Jean. It says, "Amber, that wonderful box that you sent was so fabulous. I'm at a loss for words." Oh, you're so welcome, Jean. That mug was so very cool. I have showed it to everyone I know because I'm a star. You are a star, Jean. Thank you so much. Oh, Jean, you are so very welcome. I had the idea for that mug a little while ago, and I just thought to myself, man, how can I pull that off, though? So when I was designing those mugs, it took me a little while, guys. Like, I literally went through every single font that was available in the program that I was using, probably 3 or 4 times, and that took me forever. Just trying to decide the right font that I thought looked the best, and then finding the right little, star clip art and the YouTube clip art and all that kind of stuff, just to try to make it look as nice as I could for you guys and as professionally done as possible. So I'm so happy that you guys like them. Jean, you are so incredibly welcome. It was super fun for me to do, and I'm going to have more friend mail coming up soon, but we'll talk about that after I finish the friend mail that I got here. Okay, so let's do that. This next one is from Pat from Blessed GMP. So here's the package, and this was unexpected as well as Jean's. I was not expecting any of this friend mail, so that's super exciting and super fun. So let's see what Pat's got in here. We have a card. Has my name on it there. I'm so sorry, guys. My nose is still just, it's such a pain in the butt. It really is. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. She made this. Pat, this is beautiful. It says Happy Easter on it. Oh, how beautiful is that card? Oh, I love it. I love it. It just means so much when people take the time to make something for you. I love handmade stuff. I love it. "Amber, I hope you and Noah have a great Easter. Thank you for being my YouTube friend, Pat, also known as Blessed GMP." Aw, you are so welcome, Pat. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, this is a morning glory. Look how pretty. Are they purple like this? I don't know my flowers, guys. I totally stink. And you know what? The people that lived at the house that I currently live in, they did some serious, like, landscaping on this place, It's kind of hard for me to keep up with. I'm just saying. But, I mean, it looks nice, but, man, it's hard to keep up with. But these are cool. I'm excited. I'm not even showing them to you guys. I'm just, like, looking at them, not showing them to you guys. So I'm really excited, though. Definitely going to plant these. I'm hoping that nature will just do what it does, and I really don't have to do too much to take care of them. Lois, maybe you can help me a little bit because I have no idea, but I will definitely plant them. I mean, I could do that part, but I just don't know after that. So I'm excited. Okay. And then we have, Jelly Bellies. Ooh, assorted Jelly Bellies. Look at that, guys. Yay, that is so awesome. Love Jelly Bellies. Who doesn't love Jelly Bellies? I mean, I'm just saying. Are you American if you don't love Jelly Bellies? I don't know. Oh, it's a purple egg. Oh, it got a little cracked and it's got a little, well, here's what it looks like, guys. How cute is that? Ah, purple. And she knows purple is my favorite color. So cute. And then it's got this cute little chick in it. I think yes. So it must like walk or whatever when you, put it down. I don't know. Am I doing it wrong? Is it possible to do it wrong? Maybe I gotta put it down. There it goes. Oh, you guys aren't going to see it, but maybe I'll insert a clip of what it does. It's so cute. It like bounces up and down. Look at how cute that is. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, Pat. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, you didn't have to send us anything, but I so appreciate that you did. I'm going to put this stuff right back in here. I love that purple egg. I'm going to put that with my decor. It's so cute, as was the little chick, too. But the jelly beans are definitely going to be eaten. They're not going to be decor. I'm just saying. Thank you so much, Pat. That is so sweet of you to send us a little something. I appreciate that. Okay, so sorry that my nose is probably going to be like this like the entire time, which is why I'm going to try not to make this very long. Okay, so this one's mysterious, guys. It's in my P.O. box. I don't know who it's from. Came from Amazon. Does Amazon, like... Are me and the guy, what's the guy's name that owns Amazon? I can't think of his name. But, you know, maybe we're like buds now. Just saying. All right, let's open it up. I did try to pre-open it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's from Mary. It says, hi, my beautiful friend. I hope you and Noah enjoy this book. I thought it would be fun. You'll receive your gift as soon as it is ready. Love y'all, from Mary. Oh, what did you do, Mary? Oh, so fun. Let's see here. Oh, search the ocean, find the animals. Oh my gosh, he's going to love this, Mary. Look, guys. Yeah, that is so awesome. Oh, Mary, you didn't have to do that. Oh, he is going to love this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to be so fun for us. Yes, because he's learning every single day. And I mean, the kid is a sponge. Most kids are, but he is just a sponge. And he can just like memorize everything. He is so super smart. Thank you, Mary. Oh, thinking of my little boy. Oh, thank you. I love that. Oh, Mary, that is so sweet of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mary, Jean, and Pat. You guys didn't have to send us anything, but we definitely appreciate that you did. I am so, so happy. Oh, that makes me so excited. But I'm already 7 minutes in. Geez, I didn't want this video to be very long because my voice sounds, you know, terrible. But nonetheless, I am going to have some upcoming friend mail. I'm going to send it out next week. It's going to be Easter themed, like I already told you guys. I have been working on it, but I had to stop working on it because I got sick. I mean, you don't want me hacking and coughing all over your stuff. I'm just saying. So like as soon as I got sick, I was just down and I didn't do anything. But now that I'm feeling better, as soon as I get rid of like this cough and stuff like that, I'm definitely going to get it all put together for you guys. Honestly, I tried to scale it down as much as possible so that it wasn't like, oh my God, you're getting this great big thing. So it's just a little something for you guys. I hope that you guys like it. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm thinking about you. And then I will probably not send friend mail out again until Christmas, because it's going to take me a while to work on the Christmas. It's going to be super special for you guys. So I'm really excited to do that. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I did add Crystal from Real Lady Electrician. I love Crystal. She is so super sweet, and she is one of those faithfuls on my channel. So I was like, man, I should have threw Crystal in there. So I emailed her. No. I messaged her on Instagram and asked her if I could have her address, and she said sure. So I have added her to my list. So she's going to get a little something from me as well. So there will be 18. I think, yeah, there's 18 of you guys receiving a little something from me for Easter, and I hope to be mailing those out next week. Okay, so really quick, I've been sick. You know, like I said, I can't shake this, whatever it is. I just can't shake it. I don't think it's the thing. I'm pretty sure it's not the thing. I mean, I don't go anywhere. I'm just saying, I really don't. So nonetheless, I just feel like it's like a head cold, because when I take my cold medicine, when I'm able to actually take the cold medicine, which all of it makes me tired. Even if it's supposed to be for the day, it makes me tired. So I can't take it until my son falls asleep. So I'm only getting to take it once a day. I feel great. I start to feel better. So that's why I feel like that's what it is. Just a little head cold, no big deal, you know, whatever. Nonetheless, as I've been sick, I don't feel like doing anything. You know, you just kind of sit, lay around, don't do nothing. But I started shopping. Oh my gosh, you guys, I found the most amazing site ever that I've never been on, because I just like Google stuff randomly because I'm looking for like, you know, crazy shoes. I want some more crazy, super fun shoes, but I don't want to pay a lot for them. I'm just saying. Some of my crazy shoes I did pay a lot for, upwards of $80 to $100, which is a lot for me. I like to keep all of my shoes $10 and under. Guess what? I found a site that has shoes at amazing prices. They have amazing styles. So I just kind of went on a major shopping spree, guys. I think I have now that I've added like a few more, just a few more, you know, whatever. I have like 50 plus pairs on their way. Not just all from this company. I also shopped Poshmark. I shopped Mercari. I shopped a couple of other places. So I'm going to have a lot of super fun shoe hauls coming up for you guys. Now, I just want to point out that, yes, I do have a very large shoe collection. It's 500 plus pairs. I guess now it's like 550. It might be less than that because I have given a lot away. So, I mean, it might be less than that. But nonetheless, normally, this is how I shop for my shoes when I find them. If I find a site that's really good, I'm getting a lot of good deals, then I would just scoop up every single pair that I absolutely love. And that's kind of what happened here. So, I mean, this isn't going to be something that's going to be reoccurring where I'm going to have like all these 50 pair shoe hauls. No, that's not going to be the thing. This is kind of how I do it. Like at the beginning of the year, I kind of just like buy my shoes for the year, I guess you can say. Now, granted, I might buy some here and there throughout the rest of the year, but it's not going to be this much at one time. It's just like I was sick, so I was just sitting there surfing, and I saw like a ton of pairs, and I'm super excited about. So you guys can look forward to some shoe videos coming up, as well as the revamp, I guess you can say, video of my deck, which I'm going to start digging in on next week. It kind of got delayed because, again, I got sick, so I just didn't feel like doing anything. I did get out there yesterday because I started feeling better and start like getting things organized and starting getting things together so that I can start filming that for you guys. But like I said, I'll probably not be posting as much. We'll just see how much I can get out in a week comfortably, but I'm not going to stress myself out or nothing like that. I'm going to focus on these projects I have going on. The one project being the friend mail, which I'm just like leisurely doing, guys. I am not stressing out about that at all. Don't think I stress out about the friend mail at all. I don't. That's something I enjoy. It's something I love to do. It's something I do at my own time. And I know not one of you will care if your package arrives after Easter. So I'm not concerned about that at all. I'll just get it done when I get it done. My plan is to get it done next week because I really do need to get it out of that room because I want to start getting that room. It's in my sunroom right now. I want to start getting that room ready for spring because, you know, in the wintertime, obviously it's not used very much. It's where my office is, but like I don't open it up and have all the doors open and we're not in and out because the weather is not nice in the wintertime. So, okay. I'm like 12 minutes in. I just want to let you guys know that I did a super shopping spree and that I probably need to check myself in someplace because I can't stop shopping on this website because they have these amazing blowout deals. I haven't checked it today. I've been trying to refrain from doing that, but I'm afraid if I do, I'll probably end up with 10 or 15 more pairs. It's quite possible. I'm just saying. So do you think that that is a serious problem that I need to check myself in for? Or should I just enjoy my shoes? I mean, to me, they're like decor. If you see this room, this is all shoes, dude. Like all the way to the ceiling. This is all shoes, like where I film. So yeah, I'm surrounded by shoes right now. That's why I have the curtain. There's shoes behind the curtain. I'm just saying. Almost to the ceiling back here. Not so much to the ceiling, but around the rest of the room. It's, yeah, like shoes to the ceiling. I'm just saying. I am going to do a video where I try on all of my shoes at some point this year. That video is going to take a lot of time, a lot of creative editing so that people actually watch it because it's a lot of pairs of shoes. Like I gotta get like the try on in and out in less than 15 seconds per shoe or something like that, just so you guys can see the shoe and then quickly move on to the next one so the video is not too long. So I'm gonna play around with doing it, but that is a plan for me to try on literally every single pair of shoes that I own, which is going to be super fun and crazy. And I will have some more Fix It Fridays and Make It Mondays coming up. Those are the two that I want to focus on. I may drop off with my Let's Talk Tuesdays and the unboxings on Saturdays. Well, some of them. Not all of them, but like my Ipsy, BoxyCharm, things like that are going to be short videos only. And like my super fun ones like the KLL and the Heroes Tower, those ones are going to be full unboxings because I just love those ones so much and I love unboxing those ones with you guys. But the ones that everybody gets and no one's really watching as much of those videos for me anyways, I'm just going to make those short videos only. Yeah, those are my plans, guys. Even the Luxury Divas, I might go ahead and just turn it into just a short video only and not do the full unboxing. We'll have to see how it goes, but that is my plan because it takes me, just a few minutes to edit those short videos where the full unboxing videos take me forever. Design a lot of times. I've kind of been lax on some of my editing lately because I haven't been feeling good, but I haven't been putting as much into them as I normally do, and I feel like they're still acceptable for me. So, oh, last thing. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to have a wig haul coming up from Amazon. I'm getting a lot of people hitting me up on Instagram because they're wig sellers. And what you do, I'm sure you guys have this happen to you too. But what you do is you buy the product off of Amazon. And then once you give them a review of the product, they reimburse you back your money. So I'm going to have a major wig haul for some of them from the reimbursement thing. And then some I'm just going to pay for because I've had my eye on them for a while. So I'm going to have a bunch more fun colors and different styles. This one is one that I haven't worn yet. It's a lot of hair, guys. A lot of hair. I haven't worn this one because I wasn't sure how to style it. So I just kind of had some fun with it. But dude, there's a lot of hair. I think it looks really pretty. But again, did I say it was a lot of hair? I'm just saying. All right, guys, I am 16 minutes in. This is way more time than I wanted to spend talking. So just comment below if you think I have a serious problem and I might need to check myself into like Shoppers Anonymous or something like that. Or, it's okay to splurge every now and again. I think it's okay to splurge. So I was sick, so I splurged. Why not? All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Oop. My backdrop? I think it's okay. Get started. Whew. It's a lot of hair. Ooh, is that a lot of hair? Okay. All right. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ann Bazaars. I sound so terrible. Okay. Well, there's nothing I can do to make myself sound better. I guess that's just how it's gonna sound. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ann Bazaars DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Tuesday. Let's talk Tuesday. Let's get started. Woo! All right. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Let's Talk Tuesday, and we're going to cough and stuff like the whole time. I'm just saying. Let's try it again.